how to add to wish list on Get Your Guide. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add to your wish list on the Get Your Guide application. And how do you do so? The first step is to open your mobile device and then click on the Get Your Guide application. All right, so once you've launched the Get Your Guide application, this is how it looks like. On the application, by the lowest part of the screen, you can see icons such as Discover, Wishlist, Cart, Bookings, and Profile. So to add to your wish list, you can decide to search for activities by clicking on the search box, or you can just check through the activities that has been added to the application here. Just check them out and see the one that you so desire. So once you found the activity that you'd like to see, just check it out, check out details about the activity, then move to the top right side of the screen. At the top right side of the screen, there are two options: the share icon as well as the art icon. So to add to your wish list, just click on the art icon, and then you can see a box displayed which says select a list. You have no list, create a new list. So you can just click on create a new list, and then if the list name is okay by you, the generated one, if it's okay by you, you can leave it that way. But if you want to change it, you can change it if you want to. Then once you're done creating the name of the list, click on done, and then just like that, this particular activity would be added to your wish list. And then you can now go ahead and add as many activities as you can to your wish list. And then to do so, just go to the top right side of the activity, all right, and then click on the art icon. Then you can just add it to your wish list, just like that. So adding to your wish list is very simple. Just try this and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.